Hello everybody, welcome. Today we are going to make some examples about comparison operators and logical operators, and let's start. This is part 9 and link to JavaScript is going to be after the opening body tag. Save. Those are just images from before. Then you can open JavaScript file. First we need to say something about conditional statement, and conditional statement looks like this. If some condition is true, then it's going to happen something, and if it's not true, then it's going to happen something else. For example, variable score is equal to 12, and if score is less than 24, for example, then document right the score is smaller than 24, and if score is bigger than 24, then document write the score is bigger than 24. And now reload the page. The score is smaller than 24. Variable with name score is equal to 12, so the 12 is smaller than 24, and the result is going to be this. The score is smaller than 24. First we need to make some space, so we can add some break lines. For example, and now we are going to show similar conditional statement, but this conditional statement is going to include functions. So first function is going to be congratulate, and this function is going to document right nice congratulate. Second function is going to be encourage, and this function is going to document right try again, the success is very initial. And now we are going to make some new variable with name score2 is equal to 55, and now conditional statement. If score2 is greater than 50, then it's going to happen something, and if it's not, then it's going to happen something else. So if score2 is greater than 50, then it's going to happen function congratulate. the function is going to be called, and document write is going to be nice congratulate. And if it's not, then it's going to be called function encourage. So score 2 is equal to 55, and if score 2 is greater than 50, then it's going to be called function congratulate, this function, and this function is going to document write nice congratulate. And if it's not, then it's going to be called function encourage, and this function is going to document write try again, the success is very near. So save the JavaScript and reload page now. And the result is nice congratulate, because score 2 is greater than 50. The score is 55. Now we can make some example about logical operators, and we can start. For example, variable x is equal to 7, and variable t is equal to 3. And now if x is smaller than 10 and p is greater than 1, then it's going to happen something, and else is going to happen something else. For example, if this is true, then it's going to be document write nice, nice, nice. And if it's not true, then it's going to be document write it's not true. And we are going to copy these break lines here. X is equal to 7. 7 is less than 10, so it's going to be true. And logical operator, if you do not remember theory for logical operators, watch again part 8 and then start with part 9 again. And b is equal to 3. 3 is greater than 1, it's going to be true. True and true is going to be true, and document write is going to be nice, 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 and that is going to be shown. You can reload page now, and the result is nice, nice, nice. This is all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.